Let's learn how to apply approximation to basic operations by looking at approximation involving basic operations. In this example, we are to find what are the approximate and exact value of 12 plus 28, 3.64 plus 19.178, and then 638 plus 382. Solution. Now, since we are to do the approximate and exact, I will do it in side by side. So on this side, we'll have approximate value, and then here we have exact value, so that we can see it distinctively. So A, we have to do 12 plus 28. Now, what we do is we approximate 12. Now, 12 is a number that lies between 10 and 20. And because it is closer to 10, we approximate and round it down. So we would have 10 plus. Now, 28 is closer to 30 than it is to 20. So we round it up because it has an 8. So when we round it up, we increase this by 1 and then we have 30. And this would give us 10 plus 30 would give us 40 as our approximate value. Now take note, I approximated 12 and then approximated 28 and then sum the approximate value to give me 40. Now let's find the exact value. Now when we add 12 plus 28, what do we get? Now 2 plus 8 will give us 10, so we write down 0, carry the 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2, plus 2, and then we have 4. So now we have 40 as well. So in this case, we see that the approximate value and the exact value are the same. However, take note, it is not always the same, but the approximate value is always close to the exact value. So let's look at the second question, B. Now we have 3.64. Now, to approximate this, I will do away with the decimal point and round it to the closest whole number. Now, 3.64. 6 is amongst 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which means we round up. That is, this can easily be written as 4. Plus, when I approximate, I get 4 here. And then when I approximate here, I would get 19. Because the next digit after the decimal point is 1, which means I have to round down. So when I add 19 and 4, I would get 23. That is my approximate value. Now let's find the exact value. So we are going to add 3.64 plus 19.178. So since this has 3 decimal places, I'll just put a 0 here and then add. Now, 0 plus 8, 8. 4 plus 7, that is 11. So 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1, and then we have 8. Point. 3 plus 9 will give me 12. So 2, carry the 1. And then 1 plus 1, and I get 2. So my answer here is 22.818. Now consider our approximate value, which is 23, and the exact value, which is 22.8. You see that they are very close. And that's the idea about approximation. Now see, we have 638. When I round it up to the closest 100, because 3 means I round down, I will have this as 600. Plus, now I have 382, which this case I round up because I have a 8 next to my 3. So that is I will have 400. It's easy to add this up to get 1000. But let's see what the exact value is. So now we have 638 plus 382. Let's add. Now, 8 plus 2 gives a 10, so we write the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 8, and we get 12. So 2, carry the 1. Now, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 and I get 10, which I write down. That is, my answer here is 1020. Now the exact value is 1020, while the approximate value is 1000. And as you can see, it is still very close. And that's the solution to this problem. Thank you.